Can you hear that? Welcome to my channel, everybody, and to this video. If you've got an outdoor ceiling fan that is suddenly making noise, don't freak out. I've got a solution for you, a pretty easy one. It might not work, but you'll definitely want to start with this step, because chances are an outdoor ceiling fan like this, you can see there's something off there. When I move it, it stops making noise. But when I let it kind of be in its natural position, there's an annoying noise. So we're going to kill the, not the electricity. You don't need to turn it off here. Just turn off the switch. Stop those blades. And look at this. These outdoor fans have an annoying but not surprising tendency to build up dirt and stuff over the many, many months. Perhaps during the winter months. Lots of wind. You'd be surprised what is on top of those ceiling fans living up there. And that is creating an imbalance in the blades, possibly, right? So we're also going to take the opportunity to tighten up everything. Make sure all the screw heads are tight. All the little knobs are tight. Those could loosen up or could have loosened up, creating vibration and noise. But what we're going to do is take some general cleaner. Start off with just a wet rag and just kind of wipe off the biggest, bulkiest dirt that you can see there. Just kind of brush it off, wipe it off. It'll smear around a little bit on you, so make sure you have several paper towels as you do this. And we'll put some general cleaner on it as well. And just like you see here, we're going to be methodical. Little OCD, I think, about the cleaning process, getting the sides of the blades, the tops, the ends, and the undersides as well. We'll get the body and the top of the body, the motor unit, and also if you have a dome as well. Just get it all off there. Take a moment, take your time, get it nice and clean, and we will see if that actually solved the problem. Turn the switch back on. Let's take a listen. Beautiful. After several minutes, the sound is gone. So the issue was dirt creating a weight imbalance. So you want to start there. If it does not work, then you might want to think about balancing your blades, or there might be another issue going on. And I'll post other videos if, I have returning problems with this, or if we need to balance a blade or something like that. But hopefully this quick and simple clean will solve your problem. Click that like button if this helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more do-it-yourself home projects and solutions. I try to put out videos every week or so. Thanks so much for being with me.